The hidden dangers of chatbots. Confessions are no longer spoken in closed rooms or in a therapist's office. Many people are now pouring their hearts out to a cold robot named ChatGPT. According to recent studies, millions of users are sharing their mental health struggles, family secrets, and even legal disputes within a virtual chat window. They believe this AI is kinder than humans, perhaps more understanding and empathetic. But the truth has come out, and from the mouth of the game's creator himself. Sam Altman, the CEO of OpenAI, the company behind ChatGPT, made a shocking statement confirming that there is no legal privacy for your conversations with the AI robot. This means that everything you write can be used as evidence against you in court, including messages you delete. These messages remain saved and archived on the company's servers for a month or more if a court decides to request them. ChatGPT, which many use as a psychological refuge, may actually be a trap, one that could land you in legal trouble if you don't use it wisely. Altman himself admits that people use it as a psychotherapist or a life coach, but he states, "We do not offer any legal protection for this type of use." To be clearer, don't talk as if you're in a therapy session. So why this statement now, Mr. Altman? To understand the details, we need to go back to the legal battle between OpenAI and the New York Times, in which the newspaper is demanding that every conversation made on the platform be disclosed, including those that have been deleted by the user. This strikes at the very heart of the principle of privacy. So what kind of information should you avoid sharing with AI, according to privacy and AI experts? Your health. When you write, "I suffer from a mental disorder," or "I am being treated for a chronic illness," know that these words can be stored and sold. Insurance companies, for example, look for these sentences to measure risk probabilities and then rewrite their contract terms or refuse medical coverage. Your location. When you say, "I am in place X," you're giving the AI's algorithms your daily map, which could be used in less than innocent contexts like tracking by advertising companies. Your financial information. Experts advise against sharing financial information like your bank card number, bank account number, and monthly salary. No one can guarantee that this information won't be leaked one day, which could lead to a financial or legal problem. Your photos. Once you upload a private photo to an AI platform's cloud, be sure that it will be used to retrain their models or perhaps to produce deep fake images of you or ads you don't even know exist. Your passwords. Do not share your passwords or verification codes with AI. No one can guarantee that they won't be recorded or used later for analytical or training purposes. And 7. Your political views and your relationships. Do not share your political stances or your emotional relationships and private feelings with AI. AI is not a real substitute for a psychotherapist. It lacks emotions and a deep understanding of the complexities of the human psyche. It tends to say what the user wants to hear. So what are social media users saying about sharing private information with ChatGPT and other AI models? Let's check out some opinions. Software engineering expert Dr. Hezem Spee wrote, "All your calls and photos via Snapchat or your conversations and questions with ChatGPT can be submitted to the government or the court if these companies are asked to do so. Think carefully before you confide in these applications and protect yourself from court cases." Assad wrote, "Sam Altman's statement does not mean that the platform uses conversations against users." He clarified that judicial authorities may request certain data by an official legal order, as is the case with all major technology platforms, such as Google, Apple, and others. Abdulkader Saad wrote, "The issue has gone beyond privacy violations and reached mental programming from all sides, according to their needs, whether for money or a specific direction." Finally, a specialist says, "Never trust anything on the web. Your belief that you are safe from privacy violations is an illusion far from the truth. The terms and conditions you approve without close reading are put in place to serve the network, not you. Many privacy policies are nothing more than a facade that hides the violation of your information."